What's up, everybody? It's the Connect 860 back with another review. I just want to do a quick comparison between the BeMaxx fitness rope here, got the cable, and the fitness club jump rope. I got them both off of eBay. I really couldn't decide which one to get, so I ordered both of them, and I figured I'd do a review just in case it could help one of y'all. So first things first, the fitness club rope, it's a self-locking jump rope. In 1 second it could be adjusted like it says. It has a little button here you push, and it allows it to the rope to be extended or shortened. 7 inches long. This handle is about 5.5. Alright. This one is thinner in the hand, light. This one is thicker in the hand, about the same weight. Okay, I haven't had the opportunity to use either one of them, but just off of observation, I feel like this one would be a better buy. They both was about $11 to $12. I didn't overdo it. But here's the specs on the BeMaxx fitness rope. Tells you where it needs to be adjusted according to height. Comes with a free workout guide. Comes with an advanced weight rope. It comes with 2 rope cable protectors. This goes over the rope, so when you're jumping it doesn't eat away at the plastic, therefore having the cable be damaged. How to use this one: insert the line directly into the hole, adjust the length, so on and so forth. Use a cable cutter to cut it. They both came with a bag. The BeMaxx bag is a little more sturdy. This one's a little more thin. Came with a locking tie. This one came with a drawstring. This one comes with 1 cable. No cable guards. No cable tips. They both was purchased off of eBay. Both took about 3 to 5 days to arrive. And like I said, they were both $11 to $12. They have some out there that are more, $30. They have $150 ones, but I kept it simple, $12 each. Try them out and see where it goes from there. Whatever one I like better, if I want to buy a better model, I'll do so. Once again, it's the Connect 860. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.